When you are punctual, you are able to meet your commitments and fulfill your responsibilities on time. This can help you build trust and credibility with others. Whether it is in your personal or professional life, being punctual also helps you manage your own time more effectively, reducing stress and giving you more control over your schedule. Overall, punctuality is an important trait because it can benefit you in many ways. This is very true. What is up, you guys, man? It's your boy King Tax here, back at it again, another man. Today we're at a beautiful park. We're out here chilling and vibing. I'm waiting on a client currently. But today we're just going to talk about punctuality and any form of life, any aspect of life, applying it to every aspect of life. If you're not punctual for certain things, you may miss a blessing. You may miss an opportunity. You never know what you could miss from you not being punctual. For example, let's say my dad threatened me with this one time. Like, it was a fun threat. It wasn't a threat. But he called me at 9 a.m. and I didn't answer because I was asleep, right? And I was supposed to be somewhere at like 11 or whatever, right? And I woke up at 10 and he was like, now what if I would have called you at 9 a.m. and I had $1 million for you? You wouldn't have had it. And I was like, yo, like, that hit a little bit, because what if he had $1 million for me? What if anyone had a specific opportunity for me that I would not be able to receive and have simply because I did not wake up? Simply because I wasn't there on time, simply because I wasn't punctual, simply because I was a few minutes late. So I just want to stress to you guys punctuality, because you never know what you could be missing out on. You know what I mean? From that point forward, I had to change. From that point forward, it had to come apart where something had to give, you know? It's giving, LOL. But yeah, you guys, so I just want to say, like, you know, punctuality, man. Any aspect of life, be punctual. If you're going to go to the gym at a certain time, you know you're going to be in there from this time to that time, be punctual. Be in there, make it happen, chop it up, do it, be punctual. Every aspect of life, be punctual, man. Let me know if you guys like this, like, type of scenery, because I'll come out all the time and just film myself, okay? I'll come out here and just have a little bit of fun, talk to you guys, and just chop it up and film myself. I think that this looks pretty cool. I think that you guys look pretty cool. I love you guys, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me show the gram that we're out here doing that thing. Hold on, we're filming some shit. But yeah, man, punctuality. Just every aspect of your life, you have to be punctual. Let's see what Google says about the importance of punctuality. We're just gonna talk about today. Actually, I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and we're gonna ask ChatGPT. I'm gonna be real, child. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT what it says about the importance of being punctual. So I told it to explain the importance of punctuality to me in the simplest terms. Let's see what it says. Punctuality means being on time or doing things at the right time. It is important because it shows respect for other people's time, and it helps you to be more productive and reliable. When you are punctual, you are able to meet your commitments and fulfill your responsibilities on time. This can help you build trust and credibility with others. Whether it is in your personal or professional life, being punctual also helps you manage your own time more effectively, reducing stress and giving you more control over your schedule. Overall, punctuality is an important trait because it can benefit you in many ways. This is very true. It can benefit you in many ways, you guys. Look, what it says, whether it's professional or is it a portion of your personal life? You know what I mean? Whether you apply this to your personal or professional life, being punctual helps you manage your own time more effectively and reduce stress, which can give you a lot more control over your schedule. The less stress you have, the better you feel. And if you being punctual gives you less stress, if you plan out your day, you guys, you will feel so much less stressed. I promise you. Like, everything will feel like it just flows. Everything will come together. Everything will just go according to how it's supposed to go because you're being that much more punctual. You're that much more planned. We got some dogs out here going crazy. We got a Shiba Inu, you guys. There's a little Shiba Inu out here. A little dog walker guy. He got like about four or five different things in his hand, man. He got book bag on sideways. He ain't even wearing it right. But we're back to it. Punctuality, you guys.